whatever you want to. I don't know.
Okay, here's gonna kick in. The Garcia part's coming up. You want to watch it in there?
I'm watching this, but I'm hearing it.
Okay. Oh, that famous dude.
That famous looking dude.
Jerry! Oh, dude, he looks skinny as fuck, dude. 89, you look good. This is like...
Right before he got clean.
Kind of his prime in a way. You ask me.
Oh, I thought it was right before he was fucking around.
This is 89. Well, it's after he got fucked up 2 times. This is after his SCOBA. Oh, we're getting all funky with it. Nice. Ooh.
You can move the speaker closer if you want. If you want to move the speaker closer, feel free.
Then I'd have to sit up.
Huh?
Then I'd have to sit up. So help me out.
Okay, no, don't worry about it. I can hear it. I can hear it.
Okay. No, just help me out.
Why?
It's just a little bit to help me. That's all I need. It's like an anchor. You don't even have to
I
pull
didn't
me.
mind.
I'm just letting you know.
Thank you.
You don't have to pull me. It's like just being an anchor.
Okay. Oh, I thought you had the Bluetooth. You don't.
I know how the Bluetooth.
What happened?
Died.
Oh.
It's still good. It's about the video. Look at him. Come on.